Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so verification goes smoothly. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, the Google Pay app is updated, and SMS permissions are allowed. Once done, open Google Pay and tap your profile icon in the top corner to access account settings. You want to get straight to personal info or settings. This is where your phone number lives. Start entering the number right away so you can trigger the verification step without delays. Now add or edit the phone entry. Select your country code, type your number carefully, and tap to request the one-time SMS code. Google Pay often auto-detects the OTP. If not, enter it manually exactly as received. Make sure your device has mobile signal and does not block messages from unknown senders. While waiting, keep the app open and avoid switching accounts. This step ties that number to your Google profile, so payment notification. After entering the OTP, confirm that the number status changes to verified in your profile. Once verified, make sure your payment methods and notification preferences use that number for receipts and alerts. If everything looks correct, your done Google Pay will use this number for security and communications. If verification fails after one resend, a key troubleshooting tip. Check SMS permissions and network signal, clear the app cache or update the app. Then try again or use an alternate reachable number.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.